In this video, you will see the ultimate step-by-step guide on how to create and sell your own NFT. Hello everyone, hope you all doing great and welcome back. You don't have to be an artist and you need no coding experience to create your own NFT. There are a lot of options from which you can choose if you want to start creating your first NFT. You can transform your kids' paintings into an NFT collection. If you're a photographer, you can turn your pictures into NFTs. In our example of today, I will create a Shiba JPEG in a program and convert it into an NFT. Step 1 is create. Just create something that you want to turn into an NFT. So, I will download the photo on my desktop. The next step is to choose a program where you can edit the image. I will use Canva in my example and I will leave the link in the description. Okay, I will remove the background and save it. Now I choose a background. I want to pixel it like CryptoPunks. We will make Shiba CryptoPunk here. You can choose whatever you want. You see, you have a lot of options here and a lot of colors. You can make an entire collection. You can add sunglasses. Let's take our Shiba sunglasses. Oh, looks cool. Okay. You can change the color of the sunglasses, of course. You can make a lot of it. And now you can write over if you want. I will write this. Shiba Inu is the next Bitcoin. This is a good joke. Okay, we will do it for fun, okay? I don't own any Shiba, but it's just for fun, guys. Okay, so we can make a Christmas edition too. Look, this could be fun. Merry Shiba Christmas. Step 2 is go to Opensea.io. I will leave the link in the description. Opensea is the world's largest marketplace where you can buy and sell NFT. Now you go to Opensea. You can just use the link in the description. You go on create. Step 3 is connect Opensea to a digital wallet, like Metamask. Metamask is a crypto wallet that allows you to transact Ethereum or any other Ethereum-based token. We will use Metamask. Install Meta for Chrome and, of course, add to Chrome. First, you have to create a wallet. I agree. Now, just add a password, create. Next, click here to reveal the secret words. Write down the recovery phase in the correct order without any spelling mistakes. Now you click on each word in the same order you wrote it down. You have a digital wallet. The next step is to connect the wallet with your Opensea account. Yes, just go on MetaMask, connect, sign, and it's all done. You can start creating. Step 4 is add money to your Ethereum wallet. You need some Ethereum to pay the fees when you create your first NFT. But after that, you can create as many NFTs as you want for free. So you just have to pay the fee for your first NFT. Maybe you don't have any Ethereum. That's why I will show you how to buy Ethereum on Binance and how to transfer your Ethereum to MetaMask. And this is how you buy Ethereum on Binance. Go to Binance. Credit debit card. You just choose what you want to buy. In our case, it's Ethereum. Okay. Enter the amount that you want to spend in euro here, for example. Continue. If you don't have your credit card attached, just a credit card and continue. And it's done. And now, this is how you transfer your Ethereum from Binance to MetaMask. You go to Fiat and Spot. We deposit and withdraw, the same thing. Okay. You just go to Ethereum and withdraw. Now you have to add the address. You can copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, choose Ethereum. Enter the amount that you want to send. And withdraw and continue. Okay, now get code because it's security from Binance. Enter and complete. Withdraw successful. This is optional. You can always install the Ethereum gas fee price extension and add it into Chrome. and then you can always see how big the fees are on Ethereum. Step 5, upload or minting. I would recommend spending some time and think about the name and the story of your collection. A good story is the most important thing you've ever said. Stories are important because they invoke emotions in us. Minting is the process that turns a digital file into a digital asset. It's just a fancy way to say that you upload a JPEG and turn it into an NFT. Now that you are connected with your Metamask on Opensea, you can start creating. So, click on Create. Okay, add your photo. Name, let's say, Shib, and the description. Okay? Don't write blah 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 here like I do. Now you can choose if you want property levels. You don't have to. And now you click on create. Woo! You just created Shib. Click on sell. You can choose an auction or a fixed price. In our case, a fixed price. We will enter 0.2 Ethereum. The sell order will be open for 6 months and complete listing. Okay, initialize your wallet. You can see estimated gas fee that I will pay to mint my first NFT are $277. That's a lot. That's why I recommend to check the gas fees before and wait until it's the right time. Okay, sign. And it's done. You created your first NFT. Let's upload the second one too. Okay? Okay. The Shiba Christmas edition. It's the same thing. By entering your name, description and all. I just wanted to show you that you don't have to pay the fees for the second one. You saw? Okay, it's already done. You created the second NFT and now you can add as much as you want for free. The cool part about creating your own NFTs is that you will get royalties forever, every time the NFT exchanges hands. I created 34 NFTs and I sold only 3 of them. I know it's late. But I know you can do it better. I just wanted to remind you guys that NFTs are more than just a JPEG. So if you don't know what gives an NFT real value, or if you still have no idea what an NFT is, you have to watch this video. If you want to know how to buy and sell NFTs on Cardano, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget that I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before you start creating or investing. If you enjoy this kind of content, consider subscribing and leaving a like because it helps a lot. Thanks again for watching, guys, and see you all in my next video. Bye!